I'm a millwright. I just happen to be taking care of the day-to-day operations and maintenance for our peak-to-peak gondola. Hopefully, if Jordan does his job correctly, once the brakes are reassembled, we'll have the safeties okay to hop on the lift and actually go across between the mountains, and you'll get a good view of what we do on a day-to-day basis. Okay. Authentic or no? So we're here at the Peak-to-Peak Drive Terminal on Whistler Mountain, just about to complete the annual service on the emergency braking system. The millwright trade happens to be something that's always interested me because it touches on so many different aspects of industry. Diversity, I like the fact that you can come in on a Monday and not exactly know what's going to be involved in the day's work. The training at BCIT is fantastic because of the fact that it touches on so many different actual components of the trade. Because it's a 4-year program, you do spend a lot of time back on the tools, applying the knowledge you learned at BCIT.
See, I can see you through there. Pull it with one hand.
Just best facilities, good program, good teachers. So I chose that, and I'm now 3 years down, and I'm glad I went the BCIT route. Looking forward to my 4th year there in the spring.
Now we're going to power down and do a reboot, and then we should be good to go. So everything's in stow. Okay, I'm going to power on. Let's get the lift going here. And ready to launch? Launch. This lift profile on Whistler drops away a lot quicker. Blackcomb's more of a smooth, consistent fall away, but we're probably up around 85, 90 meters now. And it happens so quickly. The excitement comes from, in this job specifically, with working at heights, working with the elements, and you just never know where you're going to go next. So your skills you would learn as a millwright can be taken all over the world, and it's a universal language. Millwrights are in high demand, and I think it would be a good road for someone who was curious about machinery and heavy industry and wanted to get involved. Because if you had decided after a year or two of your millwright program that you wanted to branch off and specialize in something like welding or machining, you already have had an introduction to that through the millwright program.